All right, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate milk, okay? Cold chocolate milk right here. Right here I have chocolate. This is Nativa's Organics Unsweetened Organic Keto Cacao Powder. All right, I use this right here because it's non-alkalinized, okay? Delivering a lot of nutrients because it's non-alkalinized, and it's full fat. So that means it has full flavor, okay? They left the cocoa butter inside of there, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It's plant-based superfood, so they say. And what I do is I'm gonna have my cup that I have right here, and then I'm going to take my cacao, and then I'm just gonna put one small teaspoon of cacao powder inside of my cup. And then right here I have Califia Oat Farms oat vanilla milk right here. And I'm gonna add this to my cup right here, but I'm gonna shake it. I'm using oat milk. You could use whole milk if you want to. You can use almond milk, you can use cashew milk, you can use goat milk, you can use pig's milk. I don't know if anybody's using pig's milk, but if you're using pig's milk, all the power to you. Alaikum assalam. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in here. All right, so I'm gonna pour a full glass, not too full. You wanna leave a little bit of space for it to overflow a little bit, because when I'm spinning it around, it's going to, all right, see that? So I'm just gonna take this. Now with this, because this is 100% cacao powder right here, non-alkalinized, it's gonna take a little bit to mix up. So some people may want to put this inside of a blender. I'm just using it like this. I'm using this method right here, trying to get all of the cacao powder, the chocolate, the full fat chocolate mixed inside of that. Now, if you were to use hot milk, this process would be a little bit easier and it would be a little bit smoother. But right here, it's going to take a while for the chocolate to touch the milk because it's a fine powder right here. So you can either do this or you can whisk. You can take a whisk if you have a whisk, and you can mix it up right here. You can see the milk, the consistency of the milk right here is a nice chocolate. Now I suggest getting the full fat version of cacao powder because it has more flavor to it, okay? So I'm gonna do this method right here and press on the side. Now one method you can do is after you do this for a little bit, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it'll give time for the cacao powder to actually come in contact with the milk, the dry cacao powder. But if you like cacao powder like this so much, you could go ahead and drink it like this. All right, it's just chocolate. All right, and that's how you make chocolate milk. Keep on stirring this. Really good. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.